अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आई होप सो दैट ऑल आर यू happy and well. So today is doing crafts ideas. Water is a beautiful way to turn simple stone into creative decoration with just a little paint, glue and immediately you can make amazing crafts for your home. Let's explore some wonderful stone crafts ideas that are colorful, easy and fun. And the first idea, there are animals just like the cute tiger and monkey design. You can arrange stone in different shapes and paint them to look like animal. It is a fun project for kids and make great wall art for your home. The second idea is flowers. Arrange small oval stone like letters around a center stone. Paint them in bright color and you have beautiful handmade flowers. You can place them. You can mince wood or even decorate your garden with them. The third idea is wall hanging. Take a wooden board, glue stone creative pattern like stray birds, butterfly or even flames. Add some paint for details and you can have a unique wall decoration. The fourth idea is photo frame. Decorate a simple frame by gluing colorful stone around the border. This gives your photo frame just and handmade look. The fifth idea is sculpture and arrange flat stone together and glue them to make a shape or chairs. You can use them nature paint them in design for a stylish table. The sixth idea is garden decoration. Choose paint noodles as garden marker for plants or paints them as ladybug, butterfly to decorate flowers. The seventh idea is story art. Arrange stones in the shapes of people, house, tree or pets to tell a story and convince each